Britain's taxman has come under fire this week for not only potentially having the power to raid people's accounts, but also for its role in helping the government inflate its success in cracking down on tax avoidance. Although the HMRC told IBTimes UK that claims that the taxman would be able to siphon cash from ordinary Britain's bank accounts is disproportionate and absurd, the proposed law actually allows them to take £1,000 out of accounts without a court order. However, while a number of other countries already have this measure, expats have told us why it's a terrible idea.
This is actually a terrifying prospect because the IRS can already do this. I've had friends who've had their tax returns seized. I've had friends who've had their bank accounts raided already, have left them completely in the lurch, clean their bank accounts right out, put them into the negative numbers in the US. So this is the idea that this could happen in the UK is pretty terrifying. It's sort of an unstoppable juggernaut as well. Once this happens, supposedly you were able to claim it back in the States, but I don't know of anyone who's ever successfully fought the IRS and won. So giving that sort of power to HMRC is not necessarily something that I would want to see happening here.
Meanwhile, UK Chancellor George Osborne has been accused of using dodgy statistics in order to tell the public that the government is a lot more successful in cracking down on tax avoidance than it actually is. Osborne and the HMRC are using a new type of tax recovery measurement, which was not used in the last election cycle. This has resulted in Whitehall claiming that the taxman has raked in £100 billion versus £52 billion during the last government's reign. However, the significant accounting charge means that HMRC has added in revenue-protected figures to the overall tax recovery number. This means that it can include a statistic that is merely a prediction of the extra tax someone may pay after being caught in a bid to turn over a new leaf. Well, thank you for tuning into this week's Current Account. For more business and economic news, check out ibtimes.co.uk.